Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And just give me a moment. I think I've lost my chart. There it is. So this was actually, I've got another one I have to talk about, but I'll talk about this one right now. This is from the AI. Great looking trade, 764. Look what it did. It got all the way up before it really pulled back to 849. Now, I would say, because I'm watching what the AI is doing, and the AI had not got out of the trade at all. If you're trading this as a human being, you've got to take some profit out. You could not allow it to come right back to the price you got in. Okay, so, but I mean, it still looks interesting going forward. However, have to talk about CEI. Huge kudos to Zack in our trading room. He came in, he's just such a great, he helps people, and he came in with a press release from Kerrisdale, posted it in the room, talking about CEI, fraud allegations, on and on and on. This is what the post talked about, and look what happened to it. I mean, I was able to get this right around just underneath 250. It got halted right around here. It got halted again on the way down, and it is still catastrophic. I'm all out of this trade right now. Some of my levels were, I got in at 248. I covered some at 2, covered some at 165, and then the balance in this area. But just a great teamwork in the trading room. Again, Zack posting that tweet from Kerrisdale in such a timely manner that most of us in the room could take advantage of it. So huge kudos to Zack for that one. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. And again, here's the link for it. It's a free room. Come on in. I'll open it tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.